Hey everybody, we're Tanella and Carissa, and we live and travel full-time in our self-converted van with our 2 dogs, Coda and Cleo.
Last week when we left you, we fulfilled our bucket list dream of visiting the White Sands National Park.
Join us this week as we head to the Gila National Forest, where we hike, explore, and soak up some sun.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We would be so grateful.
So right now we are driving through the Gila National Forest, and it is so beautiful. This drive is crazy. Everybody, we're here in the treed land, and it is beautiful. Why are we in the forest mountain range area? Why? Because one of the reasons is we were in the desert, and the dust and the thorns and stuff were kind of hard on our pups, especially Coda with his long fur. So to make him happy, we needed to go somewhere a little less pointy. Very true. Less pointy. What's the other reason? The other reason is it actually is going to be our 2-year anniversary. So we booked a site at Benton Hot Springs in California, and I am super stoked because I've actually never been to California before. And we really miss having a tub sometimes. So this will be a nice relaxing couple of days. So Benton Hot Springs is north from where we are, so we got to keep heading that way. Anyway, so we found this place, and I think it's pretty cool. It is amazing. The trees here are crazy. The biggest trees I've ever seen. They're huge. They're so cool. I can't wait to climb them. Yeah, so we're going to show you guys the trees right now, and then we're going to head to bed because in our fashion, we've arrived really late, so it's almost bedtime. It's sunny right now, but you know how it is. In about an hour, the sun will be gone. Yeah, so we'll show you a tiny bit around and then call her a night, and then we will explore tomorrow. Explore. Okay, come check it out, guys. This has its own little canopy.
You guys look so small. You're only like 10 feet away from me.
Good morning, baby. Morning. What you doing? Scrolling. Good morning. What time is it? Time for coffee. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pretty. Gotta warm up the hands on the coffee press. Take advantage. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers, everybody.
This is a beautiful food.
This is beautiful.
It's, what is it, 6 a.m.? 7?
Yeah, it's like 6, I think. I woke up at 5, but it was so dark that we just laid in bed for an hour.
Quite a bit chillier in the morning here than it was.
Yeah, it's so crazy. The temperatures just change so drastically when you go from even a couple hours. Like we drove about 3 hours and 20 minutes. And yeah, you can see your breath. All right. Hey, well, where do you go to the bathroom, they say? 200 meters from your camp, dig a hole at least 8 inches deep. Yeah.
Just waiting for Mom while she does her business. You waiting, Coda? You waiting for her? Yeah.
So this is such a beautiful spot that we found, and we found and are finding little bits of garbage everywhere. It's certainly not one of the worst places we've been. Carissa totally cleaned up one area that was just destroyed.
I can't even believe the garbage that was left here. There's like tons of bottles and cans, which a lot of people just throw out their windows, but there's like these big tubes of garbage household filter stuff. I think people are doing better, but we still need to do better, people. Come on.
But we're gonna clean up the garbage that we do find and just remind you to, you know, if you're in somewhere, clean up your garbage. Tupperware, anyone? There's a bag there. I just put a water bottle in it. Put this stuff over here and we're gonna collect it all after. What are you doing up there, babe? Pretty high up. Do we love the trees? Yes, we do. How much do we love them? So much. This is so cool. Look at all the different plants. Oh, there's the stickman. Oh. This is so cool. The rocks are all mossed and green and beautiful trees. Oh.
Found a few branches that were already off the tree. Don't worry, I didn't cut any trees down. And I'm going to gather some wood because we're gonna have a fire later. Hey, got my lumberjack plaid on. Let's do it. Did you dig a hole? Are you proud of your hole?
Well, hello, beautiful people. What are we doing? Well, besides just rock and dirt all over my nose, Carissa is
Making a fire.
Would you say you're a fire master?
No.
Would you a fire beginner?
Sure. I mean, I always get one going, so.
So I'd say fire master.
To say. Oh, he wants his hedgehog.
Poor Bubba. You want your hedgehog? You pitiful? So when Coda was a puppy, he grew up in a little red hatchback with me when we were traveling Canada, and my friend Matt bought him a little hedgehog, and he has had a hedgehog ever since. It's his favorite toy, and they're pretty cute. They fight over it, and Cleo loves it too. She pretty much loves everything, but it's adorbs. Your fire's looking off to a good start. You're a little fire at heart, though.
These sticks are burning pretty good.
Good job, baby.
Thank you.
Looking good. So while Carissa is guarding the fire, I'm going to make burritos. Like here, you think?
Tinfoil doesn't light, does it?
Nope. Campfire smell. I like it. Burrito time.
Delicious.
Cleo,
are you stuck? Are you always stuck?
No. Were you trespassing?
Were you trespassing?
Okay.
Take it. Good. Good night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night. So we are currently hiking a dried up riverbed and it is absolutely stunning. The colors of rocks, number one, are just insane. And the plant life is so beautiful. Yeah, it's been really dry here, so we can just walk the dried up riverbed like a path and it's amazing. We are loving it. She could be anywhere, but she wants to be right here, hitting me in the head with her tail.
Yeah, Sun's doing a pretty good job for all of us.
You can go in the shade.
You don't want to go in the shade, do you? If our Blue Eddie's getting a tan, we're getting a tan.
Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning. This is our last day here at this beautiful spot. We have to leave a little early, so we are peacing out from our beautiful forest spot in the mountains. Yeah. Probably for the best, too, because it's getting pretty cold at night because we're in the mountains. So yeah, it was cold this morning. We were in bed and you could see our breath. Yeah, I was wearing 2 sweaters and socks and sweatpants to bed. Yeah, and we do have a little heater now. We bought one, but last night it wasn't cold and we didn't realize it was going to be so chilly. So yeah, it's all for the best, and we really enjoyed the spot. We've had some amazing hikes. Yep. And I'm obsessed with trees, so it's been so nice to be around trees, and these particular ones are so freaking cool.
I love him.
Did you like them?
I love them
so much. So we will see you on the road as we continue heading west. And a little bit north too. A little bit north. So, oh my gosh. And we're going to go get our dogs so that they don't escape. Love you guys. See you soon. Are you guys ready to go?
Want to hit the road, Jax?
Okay.
And Jackie?
Let's go, Jack and Jackie. Boom. Join us next week as we say goodbye to New Mexico. We travel through some snowy mountains and make our way to Death Valley National Park, where we visit a real-life ghost town in Nevada. See you next Sunday.